Good morning, class. So today we are gonna talk about something magical. Books.
I love books. They take me to different worlds.
I don't like to reading. It's so boring.
That's because you haven't found a good book yet, Arjun. Books are full of knowledge, fun, and adventure.
Why is reading so important?
Great question. Reading improves vocabulary, sharpens the brain, and boosts imagination. It helps us to understand the world better.
I learn my new words and ideas every time I read.
Let me read the comic book first.
That's great. Any book is a good start. A read in 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Read
Read a book, open your mind,
new adventure you will find.